Most of us have been to urgent care to get fast help with a non-life-threatening illness or injury, but where do you go when your mental health needs immediate attention?
Fox 13's April Baker shows us one woman's new solution in Utah County and the mental health help that she's offered Utahns for almost a decade.
Oftentimes, it's just a matter of knowing where to go.
You may have seen Bristol Health before if you've been through West Center Street in Orem. Kelly Wozniak founded the mental health clinic 8 years ago. She was a family nurse practitioner at the time and found out indirectly that a lot of people struggled with their mental health.
Usually someone would come in for a sore throat and say, oh, by the way, I'm depressed or I'm suicidal. I didn't have the time or resources to address it correctly.
Since she made the time through her business, Wozniak and her team have helped thousands in Utah. But the demand for care just continues to grow. Wozniak says they've seen almost double the number of patients each month since late 2020. With that in mind, Wozniak recently acted on an idea she had for the last 6 years. Start an urgent care for mental health needs only.
There seemed to be a gap between care in a clinic and the emergency room.
Wozniak says the center, explicitly named Mental Health Urgent Care, strives to eliminate the confusion patients feel when seeking help during a crisis, giving them a place to turn fast when they just need help.
Patients don't have to know what they need. They can come and say, help, I have this addiction or I have depression.
Wozniak says each patient will meet with a psychiatric nurse and therapist during their appointment, helping them identify immediate and long-term needs.
And if they can leave that first appointment with just a little bit of hope, then I've done my job. We're just now getting the word out, and there's a lot of excitement around it.
Wozniak says her goal is to have several of these mental health urgent care centers across the state. We have details on pricing, operation hours, and more on fox13now.com. April Baker, Fox 13 News, Utah.